Oh my goodness, I heard about something awesome. It's called Earl Grey Tea Pie. A pie made out of tea. Well, I thought, you know what? I love tea. And there's so many different types of tea that I love. And I thought, what if I made that same pie but used a different kind of tea, another tea that I love? So yes, I love this tea, Vanilla Rooibos tea. How about a Vanilla Rooibos pie? Let's find out. In a bowl, I need to crack 2 eggs and a half a cup of granulated sugar. I'm gonna whisk that until fluffy. I'm gonna add a 1/3 cup of cornstarch and a shake of salt. Whisk that until smooth. In a medium saucepan, I need a cup of milk and a cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna heat that up until it's almost boiling. I'm gonna remove it from the heat. I'm gonna add 3 tea bags. This is when I add that rooibos tea. We're gonna let this just sit and steep for 15 minutes. But you can use any type of tea here. They've been steeping. Now we could squeeze out those tea bags. And we're gonna put it back on the heat to almost boiling. I'm gonna remove a little bit of that hot, creamy mix. I'm gonna slowly pour it into my egg mixture while whisking. So now I've warmed that egg mixture up just a tiny bit, and I'm gonna slowly pour that into the milky mixture while whisking. I'm gonna add it back to the heat and continuously stir it. Stir it constantly until nice and thick. Remove from heat. I'm gonna stir in 2 tablespoons of butter until nice and smooth. Now I'm gonna let this cool until room temperature. Okay, I'm gonna pour that into a prepared pie crust. Now I just let this cool in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. It's all nice and chilled. Let's slather on some whipped cream. It's like I'm painting a picture. That sure looks nice. We have ourselves a vanilla rooibos tea pie. Let's have a slice. This looks pretty awesome. Let's try this. Tea pie. I definitely taste the vanilla in that rooibos. And it kind of tastes like a custardy pie. It's a tea custard pie, and it's amazing. You gotta try this, and with different teas. Imagine a chamomile tea pie. It's pie I can have before bed, and that's a winner in my book. Thanks for watching. Bye. What did the tea plant say when the farmer gave him some water? Much obliged.